Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set the best advanced camera settings on your iPhone for high-quality photos and 4K videos. Let's dig in. Open your system settings. Scroll all the way down and select Camera. You'll find various camera settings here. First, click on Format and select High Efficiency for stunning photos. Then, go back and click on Record Video. From the menu, select the highest video quality for the best video output. A prompt will appear. Click OK. Now, your device will record 4K videos at 60 FPS. Similarly, for slow motion videos, go back and click on Slow Mo setting, then select High Efficiency. A prompt will appear. Click OK. Now, for the last and most important setting, open your camera and start recording a video. You may notice flickering when the light changes. To remove or improve this, go to the same camera settings, open Video Record setting, and scroll down. Turn on Show PAL Formats toggle switch. Now, scroll up and select 4K at PAL format, as shown in the video. Voila! Now you can open your camera and start recording flicker-free videos at 4K. These settings are available on all iPhones. That's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates like this.